5 stocks for passive income in 2022. Investors looking for passive income rely on stable and mature dividend-paying stocks, which boast strong balance sheets, consistently growing dividends over the years, and a trustworthy reputation in the market, which gives them the ability to weather stock price volatility and a dynamic fiscal environment. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson develops and markets healthcare products. The company recently separated its consumer health and medical devices divisions to deliver focused services to its clients. On January 4, Johnson & Johnson declared a $1.06 per share quarterly dividend, in line with previous. The dividend will be paid on March 8 to shareholders of record on February 22. The company has offered 59 consecutive years of dividend growth and is one of the top stocks for passive income in 2022. According to the third quarter database of Insider Monkey, 88 hedge funds held a bullish stance on Johnson & Johnson, with collective stakes amounting to $6.8 billion. Fundsmith LLP is the largest stakeholder of Johnson & Johnson as of Q3 2021, with 7.20 million shares worth $1.16 billion. The Coca-Cola Company. The Coca-Cola Company is an American multinational beverage company that markets a product portfolio of non-alcoholic and alcoholic beverages, operating via a global network of independent bottling partners, distributors, wholesalers, and retailers. On February 17, the Coca-Cola Company declared a 44 per share quarterly dividend, a 4.8% increase from its prior dividend of 42 cents. The dividend is payable on April 1 for shareholders of record on March 15. The Coca-Cola Company dividend yield as of February 18 is 2.84%. A total of 61 hedge funds were bullish on the Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, with combined stakes amounting to more than $25 billion. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is the biggest stakeholder of the Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO, holding 400 million shares worth approximately $21 billion. TELUS Corporation. TELUS Corporation, NYSE, 2, is a Canadian multinational conglomerate working in the telecommunications, information technology, health, safety, and security sectors. TELUS Corporation, NYSE, 2, made it to our list of the notable stocks for passive income in 2022, with a dividend yield of 4.10% as of February 18. TELUS Corporation, NYSE, 2, on February 14 declared a 0.3274 Canadian dollars per share quarterly dividend, in line with previous. The dividend is payable on April 1 to shareholders of record on March 11. TELUS Corporation, NYSE, 2, on December 6 announced the sale of its financial solutions business to Dye & Durham, a leading provider of cloud-based software and technology solutions, for $500 million. Realty Income Corporation. Realty Income Corporation is a real estate investment trust based in California, which leases out commercial spaces across the United States, Spain, and the United Kingdom. Realty Income Corporation delivers a 4.41% dividend yield as of February 18. Realty Income Corporation on February 15 declared a per share monthly dividend of $0.2465, in line with previous. The dividend is payable on March 15 to shareholders of record on March 1. Realty Income Corporation revenue for Q4 2021 came in at $1.05 billion, up 53.1% year-over-year, outperforming estimates by $55.92 million. ExxonMobil Corporation. Headquartered in Irving, Texas, ExxonMobil Corporation, NYSE, XM, is a multinational natural gas and oil company, involved in the exploration and distribution of crude oil, oil products, natural gas, and petrochemicals. ExxonMobil Corporation reported its Q4 financial results on February 1, announcing earnings per share of $2.05, exceeding estimates by 11 cents. The revenue jumped 82.56% from the prior year quarter to approximately $85 billion, outperforming estimates by $6.24 billion. GQG Partners held the biggest ExxonMobil Corporation, NYSE, XM, position in Q3 2021, with 26.5 million shares worth $1.56 billion. In the third quarter of 2021, 64 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey held bullish positions in ExxonMobil Corporation, down from 68 funds in the preceding quarter.